How much money can you earn from a video that has 1 million views? Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, when it comes to being a YouTuber, one subject that always comes up is how much money can be made from AdSense. Alright, so a lot of people, they want to hurry up and get monetized from their YouTube channel because they want to start making money. And a lot of people's goals are, I want a lot of views, right? The more views you get, the more money you make. It's that simple. Alright, so how much money can you make from a video with over 1 million views? Alright, so here's the answer. It's a wide variety, alright? Because there are two things that you need to look at, right? There's the CPM and then there's the RPM. The CPM is cost per thousand, and that's pretty much how much advertisers are willing to pay per thousand views, right? Then there's the RPM, which is the revenue per thousand, and basically the RPM is what you get, alright? So when it comes to CPM and RPM, it really depends on what niche that you're in, because some niches pay a lot more than others. For example, a channel like a food channel or a celebrity gossip channel or maybe just a variety channel, they may get around $3 per 1,000 views. All right. Then you got channels like in the finance, health and wealth niches. Now I know for a fact there are channels in these niches that get around $30 per 1,000 views. And I've even heard, now I don't know how true it is, but I've heard there's some channels with $100 CPMs. So that is crazy. So let's just look at the average on the low end and the high end of how much you can make from a video with 1 million views. So let's just go with the $3 range. All right, so say you got a RPM of $3. All right, that's how much you get from 1 million views. So with that being said, $3, 1 million views, that video is gonna make you $3,000. All right, and yes, I'm sure it's gonna be some work to get that 1 million views, but yo, $3,000 for one video, that's dope. Now let's go to the higher end of things. All right, like I said, I know for a fact there are many channels that have an RPM of around $30. All right, so if you got a channel RPM $30 and you get a video that has 1 million views, you are looking at $30,000. That's right, $30,000 for one video, right? So when you think about that, that is absolutely crazy. So when you see some of these videos out here with views over 1 million, just know they making some serious money. So it really doesn't matter what niche you in. The bottom line is, if you cranking out videos that get 1 million views, you are making some nice money. Now you have a little bit of guidance, or you can kind of set some goals with your YouTube channel, and hopefully this video motivated you a little bit. All right, let's be honest. You don't want to watch no more of this video. You want to start creating your own.